I'm going to cook Gobhi Gosht, which is cauliflower and goat. So here's a goat. I'm just going to turn on. So here are the ingredient I'm going to use. This is a garam masala, red chili powder, surak mirch, garam masala, turmeric powder, haldi, safed zira, cumin seed, cinnamon stick, and black seed. Just a half spoon, actually half teaspoon. This is a 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to cook at least 1 hour, and these are the ingredients I'm adding in there. This is a ginger, adrak, tomato, chopped onion, pyaz, and here's a garlic. The whole garlic I'm going to put it as is because it will cook like a take hour too. So that will be automatically grounded in there while I'm cooking. So here's a gobi and dhania, hara dhania, which is a coriander, actually cilantro. So this is a cauliflower gobi, and I'm going to also use this side of this all or leaf and stem, or the dundle they call. So I'm going to cut it very thin, and I'm going to add it after half an hour before I add the cauliflower. So then I'm going to make short video after that, and this cilantro goes all the way last.